completed my graduation in ATME College of Engineering in the streams of CSE by securing 8.36 CGPA, and later I joined for JSpiders and took Java FullStack course where it was full supportive. Here the trainers was, and the Java class was conducted by Shishirabad sir and Uday sir, and SQL classes was conducted by Manoj sir, and programming was conducted by Raghu sir. It was full supportive, and even they conducted a presentation sessions which was so helpful for us. Thank you, JSpiders.